Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of printing with the Aztech compatible toner cartridge. This might not be the most exciting product, but it's an essential one for anyone who relies on a printer. Stick around because in this 5-minute video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this compatible toner cartridge. First off, let's talk about what we have here. It's the Aztech compatible toner cartridge, and it's designed to work with HP printers. Specifically, it's compatible with the HP 26A CF226A and 26X CF226X toner cartridges. In the package, you'll find a total of 4 cartridges, all in black. Now, the key thing to note here is the page yield. Each of these cartridges is rated to yield around 3,100 pages, assuming a standard coverage of 5%. This is great because it means you won't have to change your toner cartridges too frequently, saving you time and money in the long run. Let's talk compatibility. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with a range of HP printers, including models like the HP Pro M402N, M402DN, M402DW, M402D, and the HP Pro MFP M426DW, M426FDW, and M426FDN. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice for many office and home setups. Now, you might be wondering about performance. Well, the Aztech compatible toner cartridge doesn't disappoint. It's engineered to provide high-quality printing, ensuring your documents come out looking sharp and professional. So, whether you're printing reports, invoices, or important documents, you can count on excellent results. One of the significant advantages of choosing compatible toner cartridges like these is cost savings. They offer a more affordable alternative to OEM cartridges without compromising on quality. This means you get the same great performance without breaking the bank. And here's an extra bonus. Using compatible toner cartridges is environmentally friendly. By opting for these cartridges, you're contributing to reducing e-waste and promoting sustainability. Installation is a breeze. These cartridges are a perfect plug-and-play solution. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have any special tools. Just pop them into your compatible HP printer, and you're good to go. Now, you might be wondering about Aztech's reputation. Aztech has been in the business for a while, and they've gained a reputation for providing reliable and high-quality printing solutions. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in the performance of their products. To sum it up, the Aztech compatible toner cartridge is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a cost-effective, high-quality printing solution. With a generous page yield, wide compatibility, and performance that doesn't disappoint, it's a reliable option for both home and office use. And that's a wrap for our review of the Aztech compatible toner cartridge. If you're interested in picking up a set for your HP printer, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on essential gadgets and accessories. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy printing!